welcome to our factory. Today, I'll show you exactly how potato chips are made, step by step. Don't forget to subscribe for more behind the scenes videos like this. Welcome to the facility. Here we turn fresh, high quality potatoes into the perfect snack.
We maintain a precise slice thickness to ensure perfect crispiness.
It's drifting past the tolerance.
Adjusting speed setting now.
Perfect. Right on target.
Each batch is carefully seasoned to ensure consistent taste.
Every bag is checked before leaving the facility.
And that's how potato chips are made, from start to finish.
Subscribe for more AI factory tours and process documentaries.